Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. There's no introduction for today. Let's just enjoy this beautiful road from steel plant to Kondakarla. Overall, it's a really great experience. If you're from Vizag, you must visit at least once in your life. So there's a little playground kind of thing, and also there are a lot of temples around. After this, there is nothing much that we did. We stopped at a food court, had food and went back home, and I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back again next week. So until then, bye.